there. There's Kyle. Help him put the dishes away. Uh-oh, put him in there. All right. Woo! Get some more. Okay, that's some. Put them in there. All right, good job. Can we get some more? Yeah. Uh-oh, pick it up. Okay, put it in there. Go put them away. Wow! Uh-oh, there's some more. Get it in. Whoops. Is it stuck? There it is. Get it. Uh-oh, you can't get it? Here. There you go. Good job! Wow! Okay, can you close it? What a good helper you are! Yay! Clap! Woo! Let's see what a good job you did. Wow! Good job! Okay! Yay!